Like yesterday, we were discussed all these things related to what is the data types and two-state data types, four-state data types. What are the things are there? Two-state data type bits will be there, and then how we are assigning that unknown values to bits. Bits will be not taking the unknown value every time. It will be stored zeros only. Okay, and then four-state data types we have logic. In that logic, why we are using the logic means sometimes we need to use continuous time assignment, sometimes we will need to use procedural time assignments. That's why we go for the logic. After that, signed numbers and unsigned numbers, variables. After that, some integers type data types, short int, long int, and integer for loop counting values. All these things we were explained, right? So then today we will discuss about enum data type. What is the enum data type? What is the basic need of enum data type? Okay, so enum data type is a user defined data type, right? So just for user defined, enum is a data type. It is having named constant values. Okay, set of named constant values we are having. That is the use of enum. Okay, so in this, think of meaningful names to numbers. That means based on the in your Verilog or SystemVerilog, we are discussing about what we are identifying. What are the things? Suppose for some finite state machine is going on that. Okay, what is my ideal state? What is my start condition? What is my data condition? What is the address? Okay, so all these things we are going by names. Then who is coming first, who is coming last? Okay, that we need to know. Then enum is the data type which stores the named, and then also it is giving the values to that. Ideal is 0, start is 1, and then stop is 2. Okay, so it is incrementing automatically whatever the values we are having. Okay, those whatever the names we are having in the enum data type. Okay, all these variables having the numbers, having the values, these values automatically incrementing either 0, 1, 2, 3. So in this way it is also incrementing. Suppose user only defines some values to these conditions, idle and start condition, after that address, and then read or write operation, after that some data, and then stop condition they mention. Okay, so all these are having some values, then user only giving some values, then whatever the previous values are there, what are the next values are there, that will be incrementing automatically. Okay, see here idle equal to 0 I mentioned, and then start value should be 1, then address equal to 3, and then stop value I'm assigning that 9. So before that, the next value data will be 7 I have assigned. Then here read or write bit operation 4 value we can assign, and data value is 7, and stop value should be 9. Okay, in this way the values user also can define some values to the names, or simulator is automatically incrementing based on the previous value or next value, that next values will be assigned, so it will be incrementing automatically. So plus 1 is added to that each number. Okay, in this way enum is store the named constant values. And here named constant values, after that whatever the values we are having, it is incrementing automatically. I told you, right? If your increment value you are assigned any value anywhere, means same condition I'm considering idle and then start. Okay, and then start idle condition I'm assigning that 1, and then start condition 3. After that address is assigned 5. Okay, after that some read or write bit uh, assigned to 5. Okay, so again 5 you are assigned, so here there is no value assigned, so address should be 4. Okay, so then it is automatically incrementing. Then again data and stop condition is there, right? Okay, The stop I'm assigned 6, but data is also assigned 6, right? It is automatically incrementing. But here stop value is also 6, data value is also 6, then simulation error will get. Okay, so that is the problem. Enum is a enum is a named constant values. It can store the values for your names. What are the names we are having? See, this is the basic example code for enum. So how we are executing this enum code means just I'm giving red, yellow, green, and we are having some inbuilt methods for this enum. Okay, dot name. Name means what is the name of your data. Okay, in your enum data type, what are the names present? That name I need to identify. So name you can find. After that, dot first is the method is there, and then last, that means first name I need to capture here, and then last. Okay, dot enum dot last, and then first, last, next, and previous. Okay, these are all inbuilt methods in your enum data type. That means I want to get the first name, I want to get the last name, I want to get next name, and then previous name. Okay, what is the previous name is there, what is the last name is there, what is the next name is there, I need to get that. Okay, based on this we will get that. And then enum is best practice is we are using the typedef. Okay, so typedef, what is the use of typedef here? So typedef is a user defined data type. Like user can define that data type. Suppose I'm using this typedef int. So int, and then array, I'm using that. Okay, this array will be acting like a int. Now user can define that array nicknames type he is assigned that A1, A2, A3, A4, and so on. So A9, any data types. Okay, up to A1 to A9, all are acting like a array. Okay, that is the use of typedef. Suppose I'm utilizing typedef enum. Okay, so typedef enum I'm utilizing. Then this enum I'm utilizing like E1, E2, E3, and so on. So okay, three enum data types I'm utilizing. And then anywhere I'm utilizing the enum data type, so E1 I will give, or E2 I will give, or E3 I will give you. Okay, so all E1, E2, E3 will be act like a enum data types. Okay, so it will be act like a enum data type. Clear? Any doubt in this? Huh. See here, these inbuilt methods first, last, next, previous. Suppose you're taking this idle, start, and stop. What is the first name is there? Idle. Okay. So if you want to get first name, so then name dot first you can write means, so then first name we are getting. Okay, and then name dot last you are putting that, then stop is the last, right? So last value I am getting, and then name dot previous that means, so the start value we are getting. Okay, so mention that. Suppose I'm mentioning the names like R, V, G, and N. Okay, so in this way four names I have mentioned. R means Ravi, V means Venkatesh, G means Guna, N means Nagesh. Okay, anything. Okay, so R is, so first I want to get the first value. Okay, name dot first I want to print. So this R value will get first, and then next last value. Okay, this last is getting next. After that previous you can give that. So then previous is giving means G is getting that. Okay, then R is the first, then next you are giving that, then V will be getting. Okay, based on that we are getting the names, whatever the names you are written in your enum data type, that will be getting at the output side. Clear? Huh. Yeah. I will give you the example code. So where we need to give, see, this is the inbuilt methods like dot name. Name will gives you that enum data type. Okay. So returns the enum name as a string. Like name we will get. How to get that name? So your state is that, see, state T is the handle of that. For that I am representing another state because I am utilizing the typedef enum. Okay, if you are not using typedef, then go for directly this handle. Okay, if you are going for the enum type means, then we need to mention another handle for that. Okay, so state is the enum and initial begin enum handle, and then state equal to run I have mentioned. Okay, so then run means, what is that? It is running the state. Okay, so he mentioned that one state is that run. Okay, so then the run is where it is there, here it is there. Then I want to print that run, then state dot name. Okay, what are the state is there, so that name we can print. Okay, so that means this run is printing at the output side. And then first, okay, first means, see here what is the utilizing color is color. T is the handle of your typedef enum, right? Then another color handle is C. I'm utilizing C here. So then this color handle C is also color handle T is there. That handle represents that C. Then when you are calling with C, then it is going to color handle T. Then color handle T is going to this typedef. Then whatever the first you are mentioning, then it is going to take that red color. And then when whatever the next value you are representing, then yellow color is getting that C dot next you are mentioning. Then C equal to C dot first you are mentioned means, it is C is the handle of color high underscore T. This color T is the handle of typedef enum handle. Then you are mentioning that first means, okay, whatever the first value is there, that will be getting first here. Now you got an idea, right? How I'm getting the first value. Same way I need to print this first value. Okay, so C dot first, and then I want to print the next column, C equal to C dot next. Okay, I want to print that next value, then dollar display you can write that. So dollar display, what is the thing you want to write here? C dot name. Okay, so C dot name you can write means, then I will get the next name. Okay, what is the next name? Yellow color we are getting that. And I want to get the previous value. Okay, so last value I want to get that. Then again C equal to C dot last. Okay, so whatever the color handle is there, okay, based on that color handle you need to implement inbuilt methods like name, dot name, okay, dot first, dot last, dot next, okay, dot previous, in this way. And also another thing, number means how many values are there in your, how many names are there in your um, enum data type. Okay, that will also print that. Okay, all these are inbuilt methods. Okay, just we will now see, this is my enum data type. Okay, my screen is visible, right? Okay, what are the code I'm writing? Yeah, so see, module name, enum data type. Then enum I have mentioned in that red, green, blue, yellow, white, black is there. Then handle of my enum is color, CLR. Then display the members of colors. I want to display all the colors here. Okay, how many colors are there here? 3, 4, 5, 6 colors are there, right? Then I'm repeating this loop for 6 times for I, for int I equal to 0, I less than 6, I plus plus. Then display colors the value of percentile s. Percentile s, why we are using the percentile s here? This percentile s represents that string name. Okay, red, green, blue, yellow, whatever the string name we are having, that is representing here. And then give some space, hash slash t, and then so value of red is percentile 0d. So red is percentile 0d means it is a 0 value we will get, right? And then this string purpose I'm representing CLR dot name. By name only we can call this red color, green color, blue color, all these things. Okay, so then first color I'm getting that. Then this loop will be continuing. How it is continuing? Then CLR equal to CLR dot name is there. Okay, sorry, CLR equal to CLR dot next is there. Then next values will be repeating up to that. Okay, then next value is what? Green color. After that next blue. After that next yellow. After that white. After that black. Okay, all these things we are getting at the display side. Now in your display, what are the things we are getting here? So CLR dot name, that means name values we are getting, and then color. So that color means what is the color you want to print, that will be printing, and then what is the name? Okay, name of the color. All these things are printing, right? Just I'm running this code. Okay, take that synopsis VCS. Okay, already there. Okay, just I want to run this code. Okay. Now you can see what are the things we got. See, uh, colors, value of red is what? So then this color dot name is representing the string name, and then this color is representing value, that is percentile 0d, right? So based on that I got the values here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now another thing I want to do here. Okay, so just I want to assign some value for this. Okay, green equal to some 5. Okay, then what else? What is the things we are getting here? I'm assigning green value is equals to 7, and then yellow value equal to some 10 I mentioned. Now tell me, red is 0, right? Green is 5, and blue is 6, yellow is 10, white is 11, black is 12. That are those are the values I need to get at the output side, right? See, you can check that. See, initial value is 0 only. Okay, then value of green is 5, and then value of blue is then 6. Okay, and then yellow is 10, and then white is 11, and then black is 12. Okay, it is automatically incrementing. Then I'm assigning that value is here 11 is there, right? So then the sixth value I'm assigning to this yellow. Okay, so sixth value I'm assigning because a blue color is getting 6, right? Then you can save now. Just I want to comment this. Okay, I'm commented this one. I'm taking this same line, copy here and paste it here. Okay, so then previously yellow color is 10 I'm taking, now 6 I'm considering. Then this comment line is not getting at the compilation time. Okay, so that will be ignored. Now you can check that what is the error you got. See, duplicate label in enum. enum label yellow has the value 6, which is duplicated of the label enum. Then blue is the duplicate enum we are getting. So this type of error we are getting. Okay. So compilation error we got. Okay, it is not compiling that. Clear? So that is the reason it is automatically incrementing, right? That is the reason we are assigning some other value. Then only I will get that different values for this. Now I want to check that all the values individually, how I need to execute that. See, this is the another thing. I am utilizing the typedef here. Just I want to comment this one. How to comment the multiple lines? Slash forward slash star, and then here I need to remove this one, and then star and star here. Now you can see model enum example, but this enum, okay, colors I have taken, right? Same thing, same color I'm taking. See, all the inbuilt methods I am mentioning here. Okay, enum equal to red equal to 3, green equal to 5, blue equal to 8, and yellow is not mentioned. Then what is the initial begin? See, color equal to color dot first. Okay, so color dot first I am mentioning here, and then what is the value? So dollar display name equal to percentage less and value equal to percentage 0d, and then color dot name comma color. Okay, so in this way I am getting the names values here. Okay, so my color name is percentage less, then color dot name I'm getting, and value is percentage 0d. What is the color you will get? That is the percentage 0d. And then see, that is the first method. After that last I have considered, and then previous I got considered here, and then dollar display the previous color I will get that, and then color dot next I'm printing here. Okay, clear? Any doubt in this? Then total colors I want to print. Total colors percentage 0d color dot num. Okay, how many colors are there? That's what I need to print here. Then save and run. So I remove this comment lines. Save and run here. See what is the result I got here? Name red value is 3. So already I am giving 3 only, right? So 3. And then green is what is the green value? See, first value I got that, then last how we will get the last value? The previous value is 8, then last value is 9. Okay, I got the 9 value here. And then next value, what is the next value here? Here I got the next value is that is the previous value. After that last we give previous value, right? We gave the previous value, then previous value is 8, and then next value is then previous value next, that is the next value. So again yellow we will get. Suppose I want to get all the colors, so first you need to take first, after that this next color I'm taking this one. Okay, so this line I'm copying here. Okay, so I'm copying, then here I'm pasting. Okay, then what is that? Color equal to color dot next. So first next. Okay, and then this color dot last is there, right? So where is this last? Sorry, just give me a minute. So color dot first is there, right? So then first color I got the printing here, then here I need to paste it here. Just you can paste it here, then you will get last color dot last next here. Next color means red green, and then last color, then last color I will get yellow, then previous. Okay, then I am commenting this color dot next here, and then display this also commented. Then I will get all the colors. Okay, just check that. Are you getting me, all of you? Huh. See, first color is red, and then same order I want to print. Red color is the first, and then next color is green, and then last color is yellow, and then what is the previous color is blue. Okay, so same all the colors I got that previous value previous time. What I got that, so next value is not next value previous yellow color previous value is blue. Okay, after that next is yellow is two times printed. Now all the colors are different, right? Okay, so in this way we will write enum data type. Okay, enum data type code. Same thing, you can check this. I will share this PPT. Okay, you can check this first last individually you can check that. So first color, what is the first color, what is the next color, what is the last color, how we will get the numbers. Okay, total number c dot num. Okay, all these things you can check that. Hmm. So this is also color dot first, color dot next, and then same thing. Color. This is the loop counting. It is used there. And similarly, enum data type, same thing I have implemented, but names is printed here. So some values I have given here. Okay, same thing, same code. And then enum data type I have utilized this. So this code I have already executed, right? Same code I have executed now only. Okay, just check this code. And then typedef. I told you typedef creates that user defined data types like names. By names only we are getting some values. Okay, so based on that names, see, create a new name or new data type, whatever the data type you want, then go for the typedef. Okay, so typedef is the user defined data type. User can create the different data types by using their nicknames or alias names. See, this is the alias names called, that is the user defined data type. See, um, type def, so whatever the existing name and then new name you want to write, like, see, type def int I'm writing, and then my int is the user defined name. Okay, so then you can write anything type def. Okay, so type def I'm writing, and then byte you can write. So byte is the existing data type. Then you can write my byte. Okay, my byte is the user defined data type. Okay, this my byte is the user defined data type, and then you can write byte 1, byte 2, byte 3, byte 4, and so on. So depends upon your mindset. Okay, then all these are equivalent. See, now my int a, so a is also equivalent to int a, right? Whatever the integer data type you have taken. Okay, then a you are mentioned. I don't want to mention int my int all these times. Okay, all this time I don't want to mention this full name. Instead of this full name, I mentioned that a only. So this a will be acting like a integer data type only. Or you can write a b c d. Then a is also act like integer data type, b is also act like integer data type, c is also act like a integer data type, and d also act like a integer data type. Okay, in this way I'm writing the type def here. See, so in this type def, I'm writing the code. So what is the code I'm writing here? Type def int my int. Okay, in this my int a b are there. So all these two are act like a integer data type. Inside that initial begin, I'm mentioning that some values. After that, display that values. Then we will get a equal to 10 here, and then b equal to 20 here. Okay, same way, structured I have considered. Struct means, struct is a group of data types. Then they will ask you what is the difference between the structure, okay, and union. Okay, both are same. Union is also collecting the group of data types, and structure is also collecting the group of data types. Okay, here structure is collecting group of data types. How I am saying that this int address I'm taking one data type, and then bit some valid I'm taking that, and then so byte I'm taking some data. Okay, so byte is one data type, bit is one data type, integer is the another data type. Okay, all these things are different data types I'm considering. Then this struct is grouping all the different data types. Okay, then how it is calling? By handle it is calling that. So struct packet is the handle name. Then packet small handle I mentioned. Then this packet calling this valid and then data after that address. So inside that packet dot address I'm giving that. Then address is calling I'm mentioning some value. And then data I'm giving some value and valid one. Just I'm displaying the code. Okay. So same thing you will get the output, right? So just you want to check this code is working fine or not. Just copy this code. Okay. Typedef struct. Then create the new here. So what is the tool you want to select? Anything you can select. Synopsys VCS I have selected, and then type def. Name is type def. Structure I think I mentioned. Struct I want to mention. Okay. So then paste the code here. Not copy. Okay, same thing. Module name, type def, struct I have mentioned, address, data, valid. Okay, initial begin, address, data, value. I have given the values, and then display the addresses. Okay, whatever the address is there, data is there, valid is there. I want to display that one. Okay, save and run this code and check that you will get the type def values are getting the same values or not. Just think, wait for a minute. It is taking some time. Okay. Fine. This is the type def data type. Okay. So type def also explained with enum. Okay. Same thing I have it written here. Okay. And type def, we can use that different data types. User can define different data types. Okay. Clear. So run this code. See, address is it is taking that 8-bit address. So because 32-bit address is taking, right. So then previous values are mentioned 0 only. Okay, because here 32 we mentioned, but only 16 bits only we have mentioned. Then you want to change some values, you can change. Okay, So then you will get correct values like suppose I'm copying all these things and just commenting here. Okay, this is also commenting. Then I'm added here. So my address is I have mentioned 32-bit address hexadecimal, right? Uh, some value I have mentioned like a hyphen, okay, 101546. Okay, this address I have considered, and then data also I'm changing that. Okay, so this is also hexadecimal, right? Then I mentioned that. So deadbeef I mentioned some data. Okay, so then save, run this code. See, same data I got that, right? Okay, so this is the typedef data type. In this, user can define any type of data type. So enum also I can take that. Struct also I can take that. Okay, this structure is the group of data types it is taking. It is considering group of data types here. And then string, the next topic is string. I mentioned this code already. I have explained, right? Color dot next, previous, all these things. You want to check with the type def, okay, you can also check that. Okay, same thing, just give me 1 minute, I will copy this code. I have commented this code. Same thing, previously I have explained, right? Enum data type with type def, same code, but all the methods I have mentioned. So module enum method with type def. Okay, enum method type def. Okay, some type def I mentioned that type defs. Okay, typedef enum, and then enum is a data type by using typedef, and then CLR color equal to color CLR, then CLR equal to first, next, last, previous. Okay, I want to print all these names, only names. That's why percentile is only given there. Okay, check that. Is that printing the names or not? There is. Okay, color dot name CLR equal to percentile zero is what is the problem it is getting. Token is CLR, syntax error, 12th. Okay, so comma it is missing here. Okay, CLR equal to dollar display percentage zero is comma is not there. That's why some syntax error is going. Again, okay, 16th line also comma is not there. You need to check that. So proper display statements after the semicolon, we are writing that comma or not. See, red, blue, green, red, blue, pink, white. We are having. Okay, so these codes. I will paste these codes in your group. Okay, so just see that codes, or I will paste this PPT anyway. Okay, any doubt in this type def and enum? Okay, and then string. String, I told you, group of data types, right? So string is also having different inbuilt methods we are having. Just I want to tell you, string is a dynamic data type. So in this dynamic collection of characters, okay. So basic declaration string, you can mention the name. Okay, how we can mention the name? See, string message. This message will be storing hello system verilog. Okay, this string it is mentioned. So same thing. Module, just you want to print the string name. Module basic string. I mentioned that string is message and initial begin, inside that message equal to hello system verilog I have mentioned. Then I will get this one. Okay. So anyway we will get that. So see, and we are having different type of inbuilt methods in that joining two strings. Okay, not only two strings, we can also join many strings. Okay, so how I'm joining this here? Module string, some string concatenation I mentioned here. See, concat means combining the different strings here. String first, okay, first string and second string, final string. Okay, first is the hello, and then second is the word, and final is the say, that means final is that what is the concatenation. So first comma, some space comma, second. Okay, then display final. What you are getting the output here? First is hello, right? So this hello will be printing, and then world will be printing. Okay, hello world is printing here. Clear? In this example you can clear, it is clear, right? Then replication. Replication means repeat multiple times. Whatever the string you can take, so repeat string repeat is there. So string is, okay, my string name is yes here. Then how many times I want to repeat it here? Okay, so same, it's like a concatenation operation, like sv is the string name and then space and then sv. So then dollar display yes you can write. Okay, same thing will be printed. Okay, and also you can access the individual characters. Okay, based on the index you can access the individual characters, like module string index. So my name string name is s here, and then initial begin hello. In this hello I want to get, see, this hello is having string names. Index is 0th index, h is 0th index, e is second first index, l is second index, and l is third index, and o is fourth index. Then I want to display my character percentile 0 C, okay, percentile C, and S of 0. Then S of 0 means H will be printing here, and S of 1 means E will be printing here, and dollar display can write, okay. So dollar display percentile C, okay, S of 4 you can write. Then fourth character I want to print here. Okay, accessing the individual characters are also possible in the strings. And you want to modify any string. Suppose hello is there, right? Same example, string s is there, okay, and then s will be mentioned hello. I want to mention that this hello will be changing whatever the s is there, right? S0, this is the 0th index, this is the first index, second, third, and fourth. Okay, in the first index I want to change this letter. Hello v is replaced with h is replaced with y. Okay, then what is the output I am getting? Hello. Okay, so that is the modifying the character. Okay, if you want to modify the character, if you want to do some index you want to get, you can get that. And you want to repeat the string, you can repeat the string. And also I want to know the what is the length of my string. See, this length of the string is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, system verilog is having 13 letters. Then I want to print that length. Okay, what is the length of that one? Then s dot length I am utilizing. Then I will get my word length of the string is 13 at the output side. Okay, you want to execute this code, you can execute it. Okay, so just take this code, where is the length code here? So this length code you can take module string length, just a simple code module name string you can take initial begin whatever the message you want to print you can write that print we can write that message. After that you want to get the index value, you can get the index value. You want to modify the string, you can modify the string. You want to change the letters, you can change the letter. You want to get the length of your string, you can get the string. Okay, all these are inbuilt methods of string. Same thing I have copied here. See module string and then so string s initial begin and then inside the initial begin I'm mentioning the string s equal to SystemVerilog and then dollar display length equal to percentage 0d comma s dot length and then uh, ending my begin after that ending my module. Okay, end module, this is the code. Then you need to check the simulator. So simulator synopsis. I want to print the string length. Okay, string length. It's taking time. Then two upper, two lower. That means two upper, two lower means see here hello is the lower letters and then I want to get the two upper letters. Two upper means I want to print all the letters, so all the letters in my string in the uppercase only. Okay, so that is the two upper. So two upper is also another inbuilt method in the strings. And two lower means whatever the lower values are there, then all the letters will be printed in lower letters only. Okay, that is also another inbuilt method. Okay, it is taking time. Just wait a minute. Okay, we'll continue these topics. Okay, then we'll go for that. I will show you the examples how it is executing. Okay, string length is also completed to upper. So converts to uppercase. All the strings, whatever the strings we are having, that all should be converted into upper cases only. Okay, and then lower means two lower. Okay, here system verilog I have written all these things are capital letters. I want to get two lower. Okay, so then lower values will be getting. Then it is printing like small letters only and comparison of two strings. Okay, compare means it returns 0 when it is equal. So 0 it is equal, non-zero it is not equal. Okay, so that means see here s1 dot compare of s2. How we are comparing that? S1 string is SystemVerilog, S2 is also SystemVerilog SV. Then S1 dot compare of S2. Then both are equal means you will get 0 here. Then you will get match output here. Okay. So if both are not 0 means okay you will get what is that? Some value. Okay. So any this string is different name sv1 is there and sv2 is there. These two strings are different names. Then you will get some other value not equal to 0. I compare means case sensitive. So case insensitive. That means whatever the letters you are writing, okay, that will be compare the letters. So H is there and H is there. Hello, E is there, E is there. Okay, these are all capital letters. These are all small letters. I am using the I compare. Then I will get the match here. Okay, so match output only I am getting because this hello is also same. This hello is also same because I compare means it is insensitive. Okay, so case insensitive. The, but case sensitive means what is that case sensitive? So this is one different string and this is another different string. Okay. So then these two strings are not equal. That is the case sensitive because if you are mentioned hello H E capital H E L L capital H E L L O. This hello is different and small H E L L O. This hello is different. That is the case sensitive meaning. If it is case insensitive means both are same. Okay, just check that letters only. Is that small letter or capital letter? It is, don't think about that. Okay, clear? Any doubt in this? Ah, I compare. See, case sensitive means what? So case sensitive means suppose some name I have written, SV I have written. This is capital letters. This is one type of string, and then small SV I have written. This is another type of string. So case sensitive, both are different strings. It is comparing that. Okay, then mismatch we will get that. That is the case sensitive. But case insensitive means whatever the letters you are there. Okay, this is capital letters or this is small letters. Don't think about it. Okay, it will check that is that S or is this S. Okay, is that S or only. It is capital letter or small letter. It don't think about it. And is this V and is this also V. Okay, it is also don't think about it is that small letter or capital letter. Okay, that is case insensitive. Okay, so then here hello is also same and this hello is also same. But when you are writing that, so this hello is the one string and hi is the another string, then I am comparing that in insensitive, case insensitive. These two strings are different. Then how I need to check that case insensitive? Suppose I'm writing that capital S SYS system verilog. Okay, so capital V I'm taking that. Okay, so this is system verilog and all the letters I'm writing SYS TEM VERILOG. Okay, so these and this will be same in case insensitive. And then case sensitive means this is one string and this is another string. That is not checking that. Okay, so if we are checking case sensitive means this capital letter here also capital letter is needed. This is capital letter, this is small letter, here also small letter is needed. But here capital letter is there. Okay, that is different string. Then you will get mismatch when if you are considering a case sensitive compare. Okay, if I am taking case insensitive comparison means whatever the string is there, same thing will be comparing that. Okay, just we will check that. Okay, this code case insensitive. So is that working fine? Huh. No, it is taking some time. Just I want to use another readability. I don't know why it is taking too much time. Okay, fine. We'll see. Even net speed test, I'm also checking that it is also not getting here. So next time we will see the codes from execution. Okay, just see the concept here first. After that, we will go for the execution. Okay, if time persists, tomorrow we will come back and we will execute this. Or you can execute this one. I will share this PPT. Okay, you can execute. You guys are executing. And subtraction of the strings. Okay, extract part of the string. I want to extract that. Okay, 0 comma 5. So 0th part and 5th part I want to subtract this. Okay, dollar display s dot subtract 0 comma 5. From 0 to 5, these 0 to 5, see, this is the starting value, minimum value, this is the maximum value. From start from 0 to 5, all these see 0, 1, 2, 3, all these system verilog in this 0 to 5 values, that means 6 letters are cutting here. Okay, subtracted. Then display that whatever the things are there. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this system will be gone and verilog will be getting the output. Okay, and put character, you want to put the some character means, that means also possible. Okay, replace some character. Okay, replace character at the index. Which index you want to replace it, you can mention that. So string dot put, so 0 comma y, that means 0th index I want to put y here. Or 2 comma um, 2 comma 2 is hello, right? H E also. Hello. HEEELO. Hello. Okay. So this type of word I want to print. So then 2 comma E. Whatever the index you want to place it, you can write the index name, and then what are the letter you want to replace it, that letter you can write here. Okay. That is put character. Similarly, I'm also getting the character, get character from the index. So I want to get some character only. Okay, hello I want to get. In that hello, H I want to get, or E I want to get that, or L I want to get the output side, or this L I want to get the output side, or O I want to get the output side. Then S dot get character of index, which index you want to get. Okay, that index you need to mention. And ASCII to integer. Okay, whatever the ASCII value is there. Okay, so here string s is there and integer num is there. My string is 123. Okay, so here 123 is the number of string, and then number equal to s dot a to I, that means ASCII to integer, whatever the letters are there. Suppose I am utilizing system verilog sv only, so this ASCII code, it will be converted into numbers. Okay, so here I gave the numbers, and then this number I want to print here. Okay, so ASCII to integer, or integer to ASCII is also possible. Okay, ASCII codes, you know, right? American Standard Information Interchange is there. Okay, A, B, C, D, capital letters are there. Each letter we are having one value. That value, suppose this A is starting from 64, and then this is 65, 66, like this. Then ABC I have written here. So S equal to string ABC I have written. This ABC will be converted into integer. That means 64 plus 65 plus 66 values. It is printing that. Okay, that is the ASCII to integer. And integer to string, that means ask integer to ASCII. How to convert that? See, integer number I am giving here, that number I have given, this number should be converted into string. That means string s dot I to a. I to a means this number should be converted into some particular letter, like hello or hi. Okay, in this way it is converting that. Some hexa to ASCII. Okay, some hexa strings. Hexa strings means so A, B, C, D, all are A, B, C, D value, A, B, C, D, E, F, up to this hexadecimal codes is there. Okay, and 0 to 15 we are writing, that means 0 1 0 to 9. After that a b c d e is there. All this should be converted into integer number format or ASCII format. So capital letters all should be converted into ASCII format. Okay, and then binary to ASCII, that means binary value will give that, that will be converted into ASCII. Clear? Any doubt up to this? Okay. Same way, octal to ASCII. So all these conversions will be taking place. And some formatting. That means I want to print some value should be converted into different format. Okay. So this formatting, string formatting functions like $s format f. Basically, we are using this $s format in the UVM for displaying purpose. Suppose I want to convert this string s is there in integer a is there, that should be converted into value. Okay. Okay. So I want to convert this string to value. Okay. So that will be possible here. S equal to $s format f. So this value should be converted to string. Okay, that is the string formatf, string formatting functions. What are the strings we are taking, that should be converted to numbers, and what are the numbers we are taking, that should be converted to strings. Okay. And string equality, I told you equality, we are checking that. If both are equal, then match will be equal, will be getting that. Same like matching condition. Comparison we are taking, right? Same thing, but here we are checking the equality condition only. It works on the equality. Okay, S1 and S2 both are equal, then only we will get the equal match. See, here case sensitive will be taking care. If your letter is small letters, then it is not equal. Not like that I compare. Okay, I compare is like a case insensitive, right? So if so capital ABC, small ABC, both will be considered as same. But here equality operator not like that. So this small letters is taking different and capital letters is taking different. Okay. See, this is the code, whatever the code we are having. See, length, get character, and then two upper, two lower, compare A, compare test, and then subtract 2 comma 3, and then all these things I want to display here and ASCII to integer. So these things I want to print. Okay, so that is the string characters here. Okay, so what is the code here? I am writing module, my strings I am taking module name, string A, string B. Inside that A is the test I am considering and B is the bench. Okay, just by taking this A dot length, what is the A dot length I am getting, and then A dot get C. So get character. So fifth character, is there any fifth character? Then you will get that. If it is not there, it is zero. It is printing there. And two lower. So this will be converted into, all should be converted into lower. This way it is getting that. Okay, two lower means I'm getting that capital test to small test. And compare. So I'm comparing that B with A. Okay, so A and B are comparing. If it is not matching, so mismatch output will be getting. Okay, if it is matching, okay, match output will be getting. And then comparing the test. Okay, so A dot compare test. So here test is capital test, and then here test is small test. I'm comparing that normal comparison. If the normal comparison, both text will be same. If you are using I compare, then match will be getting here. If you are using normal compare, then no match will be getting here. And then subtract 2 comma 3. So this is 0 1 2. So 2 3, st will be removed here. That is the subtract operation. And then ASCII to integer. Okay, this string is that ASCII, and then I want to convert into integer value. Okay, that is the code. And equality operations are also we are having, and then two strings are equal. I need to check that. See, test bench, and then test bench, two three strings I have considered. If it is equal, then display the values. Okay, clear? Any doubt in this up to this?